To create a post on Quora app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a post on Quora app easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Quora app. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture, and it will take you to this page. Now you can add, if you didn't find create a post right here, just go here and click on this red button, and now it will take you to this page and click on create post. And now choose what you want to write on your post, like for example, hey, I'm just gonna show you. Choose everyone so all the people can see it, and then click post from here. And if you want to add a photo to your post, click here, as you can see, and everything will be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe.